Well, good morning, everybody. So here in a little bit, I'm gonna do a grocery haul, but I have to go get my stuff first. It's just some basic stuff, but it's gonna be interesting. Right now we have some plumbers fixing the plumbing for us. The water is there's massive leaks somewhere. So right now they're going to find it for us. Till then, I'm just staying home and basically staying home and working in the house. And hopefully I'll get enough money or save up enough money to buy some shoes so I can treat Dogsy something awesome. So hopefully that'll happen. Because she's cooped up in her cage right now, and she was cooped up in her cage yesterday also, and she doesn't really, she is cage trained, but she doesn't like it. So I'm going to blame it on my mother for this, because ever since I've been working for my old job, and now ever since I drove the car, basically, she wasn't going anywhere. So she's like, why don't you let Dogsy stay out of her cage? And see what happened? Well, actually, I shouldn't say ever since I drove the car. I think ever since Trixie died, she allowed Dogsy on her bed, and yeah, see that's what happened. So, other than that, yeah, it's been fun. So, let's go with the shopping. Okay, so I came back home, and they're still working on the plumbing, so hopefully everything's gonna be okay. And Dogsy's still whistling, so yeah. So what I'm doing now is I parked the car in the garage, as you can see. Oh, it's like, why can't you park it across the street? It's like, didn't feel like it. Because how she told me is that, oh, they're done, so they're not even done. So I'm just going to go ahead and get just the food items here. I'm not going to get my Dr. Pepper yet. Trying to relock it. Okay. Got it. So basically, if you've seen my Shop With Me grocery haul, I got some onions, some bell pepper, and some jalapenos. What we're going to do with all that is, I thawed out some bacon and Italian sausage. So we got 4 packs of Italian sausage for my fridge/freezer challenge. Which, by the way, is going to be a 2-parter, and I already got the first part out. I think they're done.